Finally, after 3 years with my love Rob, I can't wait to propose to him and make him my husband. Everything's ready for a perfect proposal. Flowers, cake, and of course, my virginity.
Celina's finally gonna marry my nephew. I'll spare no expense on the wedding gift.
But boss, I thought you liked it. You're the owner of Brown Luxury, the biggest conglomerate in the world. If you want
As
it.
long as she's happy.
Thanks for the wine, Layla. Rob is coming. I have to hide. Don't want to ruin the surprise yet. What?
Oh, God, you're so much hotter than Celina. I can't wait to bend you over here.
Layla! My fiance is sleeping with my best friend?
You're a naughty boy. You know, Celina chose this pool for you so she could propose to you. Don't you feel a little guilty?
Of course not. I'm so over that useless virgin. She wouldn't even open her legs to please me. Everything about her disgusts me.
You disgusting cheaters! How dare you seduce my fiancé wearing my bikini on my proposal day? Ow! Oh, get over it, Celina. Rob gave it to me. He loves it when I wear it in bed.
Don't kid yourself, Celina. Even if you wore the bikini, you're still not equal to Layla.
How could you humiliate me like this? Everyone knows we're supposed to get married next week.
You think a man like me wants a boring virgin as his wife?
Is that why you cheated on me? Because I want to save it till marriage?
Oh, please. Look at you. No parents, no sex appeal, no career. If it wasn't for inheriting my grandmother's fortune, I would never have even looked at you. So know your place. Pick me, girl.
For the past 3 years, I gave up my own design career just to babysit yours. Because you said you needed me.
Please. Even if I did, so what? You did all of that because you're so pathetically in love with me. You're a clingy loser.
Clingy loser? That's how you see me? Celina. Celina, you heard Rob. He'd rather marry me. So please just give us your blessing and let it go.
Ow!
Crazy bitch. Now get the fuck out of my pool.
Your pool? I'm the one who rented it for the entire week. I decorated every inch by hand for this moment. Ah! Ah! Rob! Help! I think Celina gave me a concussion when she assaulted me.
Honey, I'm taking you to the hospital right now.
Rob! If you leave now, We're done!
Leave me? You could never live without me. You're nothing but a stage 5 clinger.
Ow! Celina, this is the man you've loved for 3 years? It's time to end it.
I've got you.
Darian? Rob's uncle? What a twist of fate.
What the hell? I've never seen boss pay this much attention to a woman before.
Wait, is that Celina Coates?
Sir, wake up! The ambulance is almost here. This is my lucky charm. It'll protect you.
Celina, what happened to you?
I think Layla drank my wine. Dad, I want you. This is my first time. I'm a virgin.
Classic, Rob. You just left Celina flailing in the pool? What if she gets mad and breaks up with you?
Impossible. Celina is wrapped around my finger.
Definitely. You're the youngest heir to the Brown family. Like you said, her deadbeat aunt's forcing her to marry. She wouldn't dare dump me. Wait. Rob, look, your Uncle Darian got back yesterday.
What?
I'd be nervous about it too if my uncle was a ruthless and wealthy CEO. He controls the entire Brown's luxury empire. I mean, even your father's afraid of him.
Fuck! There goes my good days.
I heard that Celina saved his life once. I'm just giving you a heads up because she might use that against you.
Yeah, well, I doubt my ruthless uncle even remembers. Besides, Celina's so dull, she can't stir up trouble like that.
I just lost my virginity to my ex's uncle. This is insane. OMG. I can't believe I could take that last night.
Last night wasn't that bad, was it?
Hot flirt.
Put your clothes on. Please. I'm not comfortable seeing a naked man so close.
I thought you'd left.
I can't just sleep with you and leave so easily. I'm not that kind of girl.
You're not using me to get back at my nephew, are you?
He's so gonna kill me.
How about using me better? Just marry me.
You can't be serious.
Don't act like it hasn't crossed your mind. Marry me. And poof, goes Rob's inheritance.
You are serious. For Grandma's inheritance too?
That's pennies to me. Use me all you want. I owe you my life ever since you saved mine. Let's go to City Hall.
What a stunning couple. Could you move a little bit closer to each other, please? Give me a smile, you two.
Smile, remember?
Now, kiss the bride.
It is all in our hands. It is all in our hands.
Can't believe I just married my ex's uncle.
Let's get it, let's get it. Number one, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it.
Now that you're mine, ready for some real danger? Are you sure you want to return it?
Yes, but before I return it, I'll try it for my first and last time. I need to say a proper goodbye to the naive version of myself. How do I look?
Gorgeous.
It's funny. I chose this dress and I was supposed to wear it on my wedding day. With Robert.
Well, you've already said goodbye to the dress and him. You deserve the best now.
It's stunning!
I won't see you in it. I don't want any bad luck in our marriage.
This gown was custom made for you, Miss Coates. It's one of a kind in the world. It's worth $500,000.
Darian, this is insane.
You should get used to it. This is a black card. I opened it in your name, no limit. And this is your exclusive membership to this store. Get whatever you want.
Darian, I've already taken so much from you. I can't accept this.
I'll find a way for you to pay for your debt.
What?
You're my wife now. You deserve the best. Take it from me.
All right, hubby. I'll take the card. Speaking of favor, can I ask for one more thing?
What is it?
Let's not tell anyone about our marriage just yet, especially Rob.
Do you still have feelings for your ex?
No, it's not like that. I gave up so much for Rob. My dignity, my design career. I just want to take it all back. I want to make him suffer before I reveal the truth.
Well, when will that be?
Next week, on the day I was supposed to marry him. And he still thinks he's gaining all that inheritance by marrying me. I'll tell the world I'm married to you. Not just his uncle, but the world's richest man. And make him regret for the rest of his life.
More entertaining than I expected. I have to take this. See you soon, little Megs.
Hey, I told you not to call me that nickname.
Celina Coates? Oh, I'm gonna teach you a lesson.
I'm sorry, ma'am. You can't come in right now. Our VIP client is here.
Do you even know who I am? I'm Robert Brown's fiancé. He's the youngest heir to the Brown family fortune. Get lost.
Ma'am, please stop!
Celina, how the hell did you sneak in here? Security must be slacking.
I walked right through the front. I didn't need to kiss Rob's ass to sneak in a back door like you.
Smell of jealousy? I don't know if you heard, but Rob's marrying me next week, not you. On the same day he was supposed to marry you? He traded up from your stinky trash ass.
Or he traded down for an easy sex toy who steals her best friend's fiancé.
Spread more rumors like that, and I'll rip that dirty mouth right off your face.
Unlike you, Layla, I don't have time for high school drama. Move aside.
Wait. Are you wearing my wedding dress? Take it off, you disgusting rat.
Oh, Layla. She's so obsessed with Robert. Still trying out wedding dresses after he dumped her for you.
Do you have a secondhand fetish or something? You seem obsessed with stealing things I've already worn. First my useless fiancé, now my wedding dress?
Miley, Kathy, stripper. Bitch! You ruined my wedding dress. Now kneel and apologize to me before I sue you for property damage.
Your dress? Excuse me, ma'am, please pack this up for me. Give me a second to take it off.
Okay, ma'am.
Celina, you're such a big talker. Rob told me that dress cost $80,000. No way you can afford it.
Take my black card.
What the fuck? How is that even possible? Black card with no limit?
I bet it's a fake.
Nice try, bitch. I don't care who you fucked or sucked to get that card. Your whore cash isn't good here.
OMG, Layla, be nice. She's trying so hard to act like you're not dirt poor. We should have her pick up a dress from the garbage bin.
Excuse me, ma'am, I don't want the dress on me anymore. Now it would only remind me of some evil, shallow, backstabbing bitch I was once stupid enough to trust. Please bring this dress to me. I would like to try it on. Yes, of course.
Broken sluts like you only deserve to wear rags.
Great job, Layla.
You see, Celina? I can destroy everything you love in a second and face zero consequences, just for fun.
What's happening?
No te lo pierdas. Haz clic para descargar Dramabox y ver la historia completa.